gamer, you may remember me from such Twitch videos as Grumpy sticks Vegemite on their face and Grumpy does stupid things for money. But today I decided to actually do something a little bit different. I haven't used this YouTube channel in a while and I've reignited my passion for cooking. So what I've actually been doing is on the platform TikTok, I've been doing little 59-second videos where I kind of do little fun things in a Kmart pie maker. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do some crustless quiches. I'm doing them for breakfast. You can do them for breakfast, lunches, or dinner. I've gone with the crustless alternative, just a little bit healthy. Those are the ingredients that I'm putting in it. Might not be. So let's get straight into the cooking. Excuse the shitty camera. I am using a GoPro to do this. But what I've actually done is I've pre-prepped my ingredients. So we have on this plate, I've got some mushrooms, some feta, I've got some spring onions, and just a little bit of Hungarian salami. I'm going to use some garlic just for some seasoning. I've got 2 eggs and a bit of grated cheese at the top, and I've just got some milk so we can kind of like creamy it up, make the kind of wet mixture go a little bit further. I've also preheated my Kmart pie maker, so that's ready to go. Alright, so what you're going to need is, I'm using 2 eggs here. I'm just cracking and doing all of this in a glass jug, just to make it easier for pouring purposes. 2 eggs go in like that. Make sure you don't put any shell in. Just going to do a quick whisk. I generally put in sort of like about maybe a tablespoon of milk. I would normally use cream, however my cream froze. But I'm actually using a farmhouse gold milk, which has the cream on top, so it's got the cream mixed through it. And give you a bit of a mix. Grab a teaspoon. Don't too much garlic in, just a tiny little teaspoon of garlic. Like back together, and then all your kind of whatever you want in these quiches, chuck in. If you've got kind of like, you know, leftover chicken, ham, bacon, any kind of vegetables, you can put those in. I've just gone for the kind of traditional feta mushroom, some spring onions, and a bit of salami, and then I'll just put some cheese on top so it's just nice and browned and kind of crispy when it's all cooked and ready to go. So this is the best Christmas present that I've actually gotten in a very long time. It is my pie maker. They're $29 from Kmart. You can do so much with these. They're not just reserved for pies and quiches and all that kind of fun things, or tarts. You can make cupcakes in them. I've cooked sort of like my kind of version of a poached egg. I got in trouble for using that terminology the other day. So I'm just gonna put this in. Make sure I sort of kind of get a nice little mix of ingredients in there. And these are going to fluff up. So I've done, I think, enough for sort of 3. I know, we'll get a little 4th one out there. So get everything in there. It's going to be my little tiny one at the back. Ooh. Is that for taste testing? You can smell that kind of garlic cooking away. What I've got here is I've just got some grated cheese. Just going to put like a tiny little bit of cheese on top, just so you have like a nice kind of crispy cheesy top. A little bit more love. Lid goes down, and I leave it for about sort of 10 minutes just so it's kind of nice and cooked through. And we'll come back in 10 minutes and have a look. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes and these wonderful things have kind of cooked. They're not as brown on top as I would like, but they're nice and sort of cooked and firm, and you're not going to kind of get raw eggs in your quiches. So what I'm going to do, I actually found the best way to get these out is using a fork. I know they don't recommend with Teflon surfaces to sort of scratch them. So just kind of get that fork under and that will ease it up a little bit. This will be our little tester. And then, hold on, actually, yeah. How not to? Let's call this a fail. Don't listen to me when I say a fork. Get a spoon. Makes it a crap load easier. I should have listened to my instincts. Let's grab a spoon. They smell amazing. So the only issue with crustless is they're a bit hard to handle because they haven't kind of got that structure of the crust. If you do want to use a crust, you can use a shortcut pastry or a puff pastry, but this is what we want. So look at those. Yep, hold on, camera angles. Delicious, yummy quiches. I'm going to do a bit of a taste test of this tiny little one here. So, it's kind of formed its own crust on the bottom. It's going to be really hot. Sorry. So, here is nothing. Let's do a bit of a taste test. So I've added no seasoning to that. The saltiness has come from like the feta and the salami, and you kind of got like that nice sort of like cheesy crust on the bottom. So yeah, I would definitely call this a success. A bit of a failure getting it out of the pie maker, but that is basically how you make crustless quiches. I'm going to use these for breakfast. I'm going to chuck them in the freezer, pull them out when I'm ready. So that's it for today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe this video if you enjoyed the content. My aim is to put up once a week a cooking video, bit of like kind of a long form from what I do from TikTok. So yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Twitch, and don't forget TikTok as well. I've spoken a lot about that. I will see you guys next time. Make sure you leave a comment below telling me what you liked about this video, what you didn't like about the video. I am open to constructive feedback. And yeah, my name is Grumpy and I will see you next time.